So in this video we are going to download Open Buildings provided for free by Google. So without further ado, just go to your local browser and search Open Buildings. You will get this Open Buildings by Google Research. Click on it and you will be redirected to this Google Research platform. So from here you can learn more about this free open data. It's about Open Buildings. It's a dataset of building footprints to support social good applications. You can learn more about this data by reading this info. You can use this data for multiple applications, as you can see here. And you can use this WebGIS to explore the map and look for your area of interest. And for us, we are more interested in getting this data outside of this website in order to use it in our GIS software. So this is the area where this data is available. So let's go ahead, for example, and download the data from the United States. So in order to navigate this map, you should click on Control on your keyboard and then zoom in. Let's go, for example, with here, for example, with this data, this area in Dallas. Click on this rectangle and you will get this link if you want to download the data from this area. Click on it, specify where you want to save it, and then click on save. So at the end of the download you will get this zip file. Right click on it and click on extract here in order to unzip it, and you will get this CSV file that we are going to open in our GIS software. You can use, so in this case we are going to use QGIS. After opening QGIS, head over to layer and then click on add layer and select add delimited text layer. In here you can click on this button in order to import your CSV file. Navigate to your work folder, click on your CSV file and then click open. And here you can start by point coordinates. For the X field it's longitude, for the Y field it's latitude, and go here to well-known text in order to display our data as a polygon. So in geometry field, put geometry, and in geometry type we are going to select polygon. After that, all what you need to do is just to click on add and then close. So this is our data. As you can see, this area is very large. I will zoom in order to see those buildings in detail. So this is our area of interest. So if you want to get this data as a shape file, you can go ahead to your file, right click on it and then go to export and then click save features as. Here you can specify where you want to save it, name it, and then click on save. And in here you can specify the format that you want. So for us, we are interested in shapefile. Click on S3 shapefile and that's it. Just click on OK. And if you get back to your work folder, you can find that you got your data in shapefile format. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you got useful information from this tutorial. If so, please like it and subscribe if you want to get more tutorials.